Thank you for choosing the Modern Comfort Portable High-Power Battery-Operated Blender. Included with each blender is an FDA-approved BPA-free plastic jar with travel lid, motor base, blade assembly with high-quality food-grade stainless steel blades and protective blade cover, charger, and water-resistant bag for storage and transport. To operate the blender, first remove the blade cover from blade assembly. Next, fill the BPA-free jar with ingredients of your choice. The Modern Comfort Blender is designed for standard ice cubes. Do not place large chunks of ice in the blender or operate the blender without liquid. When ready to start blending, attach the blade assembly to the plastic jar. Next, turn the jar over and insert the blade assembly into the motor base. Align both pieces and turn to lock. To operate the blender, press and hold the power button. Most recipes will require pulsing. To pulse, hold the power button for approximately 5 seconds, release, and repeat. After the first few pulses, blend until desired consistency. When blending is complete, remove the jar and enjoy. To charge the blender for your next adventure, plug in the included power cord. The power light will change from red to green when the battery is fully charged. Thank you for choosing the portable high-power battery-operated blender by Modern Comfort.